In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Additional Settings over here. Now tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Keyboard. Following that, choose Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip: if you decided you do want to use autocorrection, tap on it on the left. This way you will get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can manage it thanks to this switcher over here. Personally, I find it really helpful when I use autocorrection, but if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!